my name is Nathaniel, and I'm 8 years old. I'm a member of the Green Team with Science Gym, and I'm 2nd grade age. My hypothesis here is that all living things have DNA, which stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. But you can call it DNA, okay? I plan to prove it by trying to extract DNA from these samples: green split peas, strawberries, yeast, yogurt, and of course my little brother. Okay. Step 1. Here's the process. Step 1. You put the green peas into this blender here. What it does there is that it blends up the peas, which splits apart the cells inside the peas. Step 2, we add the soap, which frees the DNA from the nucleus, from the chromosomes in the nucleus, which are located in the center of a cell. Now for step 3, the enzyme. What we're using in place of the enzyme here is meat tenderizer. The enzymes break apart the proteins in DNA like scissors. Now, proteins help shape and protect DNA. So the meat tenderizer breaks apart the proteins, freeing it, which sort of like frees it from the chromosome that's located inside the nucleus, that's located in the center of the cell, which is located inside of the peas. Gee, all of a sudden, I just reminded me of there was an old lady who swallowed a fly. Anyway, step 4. Alcohol. Add rubbing alcohol to the pea soup mixture. Now, since the pea soup is denser than the alcohol forms its own layer above the pea soup, just like water and oil. Now, if you look closely at the place where the pea soup and rubbing alcohol meet, you can see some sort of white stringy stuff. Not exactly a scientific word, but that stuff is actually real pea DNA. And now you have your own pea DNA that you can keep in your own test tube if you want. Now my findings are that DNA is like our blueprints. It determines our eye color, skin color, if we can roll our tongue, if we have a certain immunity to a disease, but a future use for DNA is like you could give someone else's DNA to an in-need patient, which giving him an immunity to a certain disease. And also, in the far future, if doctors give patients plant DNA, people may be able to eat just by standing out in the sun. Now I shall have a test my brother Elijah's DNA. Come here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Say ah. Okay. Warning, extraterrestrial detected. My brother is an alien? Wow.